Hey, good morning. It's Mark Weiss. Are you being taken for a ride? Well, I've got two dogs back here. I'm not sure whether you could see them. We're on our way to doggy daycare today. That sort of reminded me of the notion of being taken for a ride. Here's what I'm talking about. Let's say you're the leader of a medical group. Let's say it's a hospital-based group today. What story are you being told by hospital administration? What promises have they made to you? How have they documented those processes? When you were negotiating an exclusive contract, did they give you the line, well, we don't need to put that in the agreement. You can trust me. Have I ever lied to you before? Now, maybe this person hasn't lied to you before. Maybe the administrator has always been a very straight shooter. But I'm telling you, if that administrator leaves, even if you could trust that person, you don't know the next person, and they won't know the deal. Don't be taken for a ride. There's the expression trust but verify. You want to trust but document. Remember that. If a deal isn't documented, then when push comes to shove, it's not really a deal. You may be on your way to, well, doggy daycare.